Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, if y denotes the sum of first and prime numbers and x denotes the sum of successors of first and prime numbers, then which of the following statements are false? Let's see the solution. Y denotes the sum of first and prime numbers, that is y is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on. Now, if n is odd, then y is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5, say, and so on. That is, y is equal to n. Then we have y as odd number. Therefore, the statements A and B are false. That is, we have answer option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, if y denotes the sum of first and prime numbers and x denotes the sum of successors of n prime numbers, then which of the following statements is true? Let's see the solution. X denotes the sum of successors of first and prime numbers, that is, x is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on. Now we can see that if n is even, then x is an odd number, and if n is odd, then also x is odd number. Therefore, no matter whatever is n, even or odd, x is always odd. Therefore, we have answer option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, if y denotes the sum of first and prime numbers and x denotes the sum of successors of first and prime numbers, then if n is even, which of the following is true? Let's see the solution. Y denotes the sum of first and prime numbers, that is, y is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on. As we are given in the question that n is even, we have y is odd number and x is defined as the sum of successors of first and prime numbers, that is 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on. As in even, x is also an odd number. Therefore, x plus y is equal to odd plus odd, or an even number. Hence we have answer option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, identify the following numbers as rational, even, real, odd, prime, composite, natural and irrational. Let's see the solution. Now first take rational numbers. Now what is a rational number? Any number of the form p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is defined as a rational number. Now out of the given numbers, the rational numbers are 2, 7, 4, 4 by 3, 6, 3, 13 and 25. Now the next category, that is real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are those which can represent actual physical quantities. For example, temperature, length, height, etc. Real numbers can also be defined as numbers that can be represented on a number line. Now out of the given set, the real numbers are all, that is 2, under root 5, 7, 4, 4 by 3, under root 2, 6, 13, 3 and 25. Now even numbers. How do we define even numbers? Even numbers are those which are a multiple of 2. Therefore, out of the given set, the even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Odd numbers. We can categorize odd numbers as those numbers which are not even numbers in the set of natural numbers. Here, odd numbers are 7, 3, 13 and 25. Now, prime numbers. We can define prime numbers as the numbers other than 1 which are divisible by itself and 1 only. Out of the given set, the prime numbers are 2, 7, 3 and 13. Composite numbers. A composite number is a number which is greater than 1 and is not prime. That is, composite numbers have factors other than 1 and itself. In the given set, the numbers which are composite are 4, 6 and 25. Now, natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers are counting numbers. These are used to count the physical quantities. The set of natural numbers is denoted by n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. In the given set, the natural numbers are 2, 7, 4, 6, 3, 13 and 25. And lastly, irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? Each non-terminating recurring decimal is a rational number. Thus, a number which is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, or simply a number which cannot be written as a fraction, that is in the form p by q, is called an irrational number. In the given set, we have two irrational numbers, under root 5 and under root 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, calculate 999 into 999 plus 999. Let's see solution. Let the required value be x, that is x is equal to 999 into 999 plus 999, or we can write it as 999 into 999 plus 1 into 999. We know the distributive law as a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Using the distributive law in the upper equation, we can write x is equal to 999 whole into 999 plus 1, or 999 into 1000, or is equal to 999000. Hence the answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.